cards. At ngayon, narito po kami sa Cosmo Civic Center Theater for the absentee voters registration. Ito po ay napakagandang pagkakataon at opportunity po sa amin dito sa Canada na mag-isa pagbabago ng ating number of 2010. And God bless the Philippines and God bless all Filipinos.
Good morning po. So we are here to register for the absentee voting para itong mga kababayan natin na Pilipino dito sa Saskatchewan, makaboto sila next year. So kaya kami nandito para kukunin namin ang registration para magpa-register sila sa atin. Ang purpose natin kaya tayo nandito ngayon sa Saskatchewan.
Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat, mga kababayan, at isang pagkataon po sa amin dito po sa Saskatchewan, Saskatchewan, Canada, na magkaroon po ng part sa election for 2010 in the Philippines. Napakaganda po at narito kami ngayon sa Cosmo Civic Center. Kayo po na mga kababayan namin, wherever you are, encourage nyo po ang inyong mga kaibigan na makita po sa darating na election. Because I believe ito po ang historic sapagkat first time in the Philippine history na magkaroon po ng computerization voting. So, be a part of this historic event in our beloved country. God bless.
Good morning, this is Manny Camantigil, President of the Filipino-Canadian Association. This is a history for our Filipino community in Saskatoon. This is the first time ever that we'll be holding the registration for absentee voting for the overseas workers who are working here, landed immigrants, and through our Honorary Consul, Dr. Carlos Maningas. This is the very first year it happens for the province of Saskatchewan. We welcome you all to exercise your vote, but remember, you must register today, July 11, at the Cosmo Civic Center before you can cast your vote for the election, for the upcoming election scheduled in May 2010 for the position of President and all senators. Thank you very much, and welcome to our Filipino community in Saskatoon.
We have to register the absentee voters who will be voting next year, May something, I can't remember. If you have chosen your candidate, please remember, don't forget to write your name when the time comes. You're allowed to campaign if you like to. I don't know if it's allowed by the government here. There's no reason why you can't conduct surreptitious campaign. So welcome and good luck.
Ngayon ang kailanman, pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo hinambayan. Sa silang bayan, kapayapaan,
Mga kaibigan, mga kasama, mga kababayan, ngayon po ay July 11 at narito po ang mga kababayan natin sa tinios ang tutong magkaroon upang makisa sa pagbabago sa ating bansa. Tunay na babangon ang Pilipinas. Ika, yan,